Manifestation, the most trending word on the internet. Each one of us has different perspectives on manifestation. Of course, I too have my own perspectives. Okay, let's have an example for this. Imagine you're standing in a mall and you're having some of the luggages with you. You're so tired of shopping, and then you're going to a person nearby and asking him, where is the coffee shop? You're really craving for coffee, and then you're asking him and he says the coffee is in the third floor. And to go to the third floor there are three ways. One is by escalator, one is by stairs, and other is by lift. So you're choosing to go by lift. So you're getting into the lift and you have to go to the third floor. So you have to click the third floor's button, and then you're waiting for the lift to go to the third floor. Once the third floor arrives, you're getting out, you're going and getting your coffee. The coffee is so good. You really enjoyed it. So how this story relates to manifestation is when you were standing in the ground floor, you felt tired and you want a coffee. So you went and asked a nearby person that where is the coffee, and he said it is in the third floor. So you know that you want a coffee and you know how to get that coffee. It is by going to the third floor. So your why is your coffee, your goal is is the third floor, and you have to decide how to go to third floor. So by three options, stairs, lift, and escalators, you chose one. You chose the lift and went to the lift. And even in the lift, you have to click third floor's button. You shouldn't click any other button, right? Only then you can get to the third floor. And then what you did, you stayed with the people who are going to third floor and not with the people who are going to second floor or fourth floor. You patiently waited in the lift, and then once the floor arrives, you got down and got your coffee. In the same way, whenever we want something, we have to start with a why. As Simon Sinek book says, start with why and then fix your goal. Ask help from people near you to how to achieve that and choose the right path. Also, after choosing your roadway, align your actions according to your goal. As you clicked exactly the third floor button, and also you chose to stay with the people who are going to the place where you wanted. Similarly, choose the right surrounding. As it is said that your average of the top 5 people you hang out with. So it is very important of whom you surround yourself with. And finally, you can achieve your goal, or by the fancy name, you manifested your goal. And also during the story, do you doubted yourself that will you be able to reach the third floor? Not at all, right? You completely believed that you will be able to reach the third floor. So, in the similar way, stick to your goal and completely believe that you can achieve it. And to sum up, know your why, fix your goal, design the roadway, align the actions to the goal, stay with the right people, and finally, achieve success. Thank you.